Some small bathrooms feel ordinary, and others, even the smallest ones, feel calm, refined, and quietly luxurious. The difference is rarely about size or budget. It's about balance, proportion, and the way every element works together. In this video, you'll see why certain small bathrooms feel expensive. Not loud, not trendy, but timeless and elegant. And if you watch until the end, I'll share one subtle designer trick that instantly elevates even the simplest space. 1. Expensive bathrooms feel calm. Luxury never feels busy. In bathrooms that feel expensive, nothing competes for attention. Surfaces are clean, transitions are soft, and the space feels visually quiet. Even in a small bathroom, this calm creates a sense of generosity, as if the room has more space than it actually does. When the eye can rest, the space immediately feels more refined. 2. Fewer materials, stronger impact. One of the most common designer choices is Restraint. Expensive-looking bathrooms usually rely on just 2 or 3 materials: stone, wood, and a soft matte finish. Because there are fewer combinations, each material feels intentional. Nothing looks accidental, and nothing feels over-designed. This simplicity is what makes the space feel cohesive and premium. 3. Proportions matter more than size. In small bathrooms, proportions do the heavy lifting. Vanities align with walls. Mirrors feel correctly sized. Fixtures don't overwhelm the room. When everything feels right in scale, the bathroom looks thoughtfully designed, not crowded, not improvised. This is one of the quiet reasons some small spaces feel so expensive. 4. Texture over decoration. Luxury bathrooms don't rely on decoration. They rely on texture. Soft stone, subtle marble veining, natural wood grain, matte ceramics. These surfaces create depth without noise. Instead of adding objects, the materials themselves become the design. This is especially powerful in small spaces, where less truly feels like more. 5. A sense of continuity. Bathrooms that feel expensive often look like a natural extension of the home. The colors relate to nearby rooms. The mood feels consistent. Nothing feels isolated or overly themed. This continuity creates a sense of flow, and flow is one of the most underrated signals of luxury. 6. Small details, big difference. What makes a bathroom feel expensive is often what you almost don't notice. Flush cabinetry, integrated storage, clean edges, minimal visual interruptions. When these details disappear into the design, the space feels effortless, and effortlessness always reads as high-end. 4. Designer trick. Here's the subtle designer trick. In truly elegant small bathrooms, contrast is controlled. not eliminated. A darker vanity against lighter stone, a soft shadow line, a gentle shift in tone or texture. These quiet contrasts add depth without breaking the calm. They make the space feel layered, thoughtful, and undeniably expensive. Small bathrooms don't need to feel limited. When designed with intention, they can feel intimate, elegant, and deeply comfortable. Luxury isn't about adding more, it's about choosing better. And that's what makes these small bathrooms feel so expensive. It looks like a designer project, but anyone can do it. Which of these chic and innovative secrets will you apply first? Let me know in the comments. If you love these ideas, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for spending this time with me. Stay creative, and may your home always be chic.